Ice cream lovers, I'm so glad you joined us. We've got some great information for you. You're probably looking at the thumbnail and saying, things I learned from a bag of mulch part 2. Stay with me. I know you're going to enjoy it. I do want to thank our episode sponsor though, which is Lloyd's of Pennsylvania. Barry Jones, Andy Jones, the whole crew there. I forget the receptionist's name, but when you call up there, she's so nice and bubbly. Andy, tell her that I said that. Show her this video, if you will. Lloyd's of PA, they're based on the East Coast. They're makers of ice cream mixers, custard mixers, soft serve mixers. They do a great job. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Lloyd's of PA. Click on the link down below. Tell them that I said hello. So the first thing I learned from a bag of mulch is you should have your own scoops club, ice cream club, customer club. Have a look at the last video for that. What I also learned is this. Shing! There is a soil and mulch council. Now, I didn't know there was a soil and mulch. I didn't know. I didn't know there was a Soil and Mulch Council of America. You probably didn't either. So what did I do? I went and had a look up at the Soil and Mulch Council. Not a lot of information there that was pertinent to ice cream businesses. However, the fact that they had this logo on there almost gave them this seal of approval from a regulatory or an association's authority standpoint. And what I'm saying is that if you join an association, if you are part of your local chamber of commerce, you should be advertising that or having some sort of sticker in your window, on your website, all over the place. Now, I'm going to throw a plug in here for the National Ice Cream Retailers Association. If you are getting into the business or you are already in the business, if you're not a member of NICRA, you really do need to go and have a look at it. National Ice Cream Retailers Association, nicra.org. The link will be down here below as well. If you are a member of NICRA and you don't have that you're a proud member of the National Ice Cream Retailers Association, then you really need to change that. You should have, as a member, a sticker on the door that says that you're a current member of the National Ice Cream Retailers Association. It should be on your website. You could even put it on some of your marketing material. I know those members that have submitted ice cream and won awards at the NICRA show had that proudly on their website. So what I'm saying is that advertising or displaying an industry affiliation is almost like an approval that you are meeting a certain standard from a national, regional, or a local level. I really think it's important to do that. A, to seek out some of those organizations. Some of them are free to join. NICRA is $225 a year. I try and be unbiased, but I think that's still a very low price to pay for the benefits you get. And if you are going to join an association, make sure it's on your website, on the door, maybe on the bottom of your menu, maybe even just a little stand next to your register. Proud member of the National Ice Cream Retailers Association. A lot of people don't even know that there is a National Ice Cream Retailers Association that you are a proud member of, just like I didn't know there was a Soil and Mulch Council. So anyway, that's what I learned. That's the second thing I learned from a bag of mulch. You can find lessons in marketing and operations and business everywhere you look. Well, not up there, but most places. Anyway, thank you very much for Barry and Andy Jones and the whole crew there at Lloyd's for sponsoring this video. Again, their link is down below. The links to some of these other things that I mentioned are down below. And while you're here, I mean, you stayed till the end, just click like, subscribe, and leave a little comment down below. We read all of them. We love them. Love to hear back. Love to hear good feedback. Click here to subscribe. Click here for the last video that we did, which is that part 1. And over here, come on down to Scoop School. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.